Cooling rocket motors is an essential aspect of rocket engine design, as the combustion process generates tremendous heat that can damage or even melt the engine components. Effective cooling ensures the structural integrity of the engine during operation, enabling it to withstand the extreme conditions of flight. Several methods are employed to cool rocket motors. 1. Regenerative cooling. In this approach, a portion of the propellant is circulated through tubes or channels embedded in the engine walls. The hot combustion gases heat the propellant, which then absorbs the heat, keeping the walls cool. This method is particularly well suited for liquid propellant rockets. 2. Ablative cooling. Ablative cooling involves using a material that vaporizes or sublimates rapidly when exposed to high temperatures. The vaporized material carries away the heat, protecting the underlying structure. This technique is often employed for solid propellant rocket motors. 3. Film cooling. Film cooling involves injecting a thin layer of coolant, typically a liquid, into the combustion chamber through a series of tiny holes. The coolant forms a protective film on the chamber walls, preventing the hot gases from directly contacting and heating the structure. 4. Radiative cooling. Radiative cooling utilizes the emission of infrared radiation to dissipate heat. This method is particularly effective in the vacuum of space, where there is no atmosphere to impede the radiation process. 5. Heat sinks. Heat sinks are materials with high thermal conductivity that can absorb and dissipate heat efficiently. They are often used in conjunction with other cooling methods to further enhance heat removal. The choice of cooling method depends on several factors, including the type of propellant, the engine cycle, and the desired performance characteristics. For instance, regenerative cooling is commonly used in liquid propellant engines due to its efficiency and ability to provide uniform cooling. On the other hand, ablative cooling is often employed for solid propellant motors due to its simplicity and robustness. The development of advanced cooling techniques is crucial for improving the performance and efficiency of rocket engines. By effectively managing heat, engineers can design engines capable of withstanding higher temperatures, generating more thrust, and operating for longer durations. Thanks for watching. Share and like. Check out description for much more.